Science. Chapter number 1, Matter in our surroundings. Long question answers. Class 9th. Matter के अंदर particles की situation. Part number 2. रश्मि झुंझुनवाला, MSc Chemistry. Question number 1. It is a hot summer day. Priyanshi and Ali are wearing cotton and nylon clothes respectively. Who you think would be more comfortable and why? A. Sweating is a natural phenomena to help our body. Our body sweats a lot in the hot summer. A cotton clothes absorbs sweat only, while a nylon clothes does not. Evaporation of sweat absorbed by cotton clothes resulted in cooling effect to our body. The rate of evaporation also increase with the increase in the surface area. When one wear cotton clothes in hot summer days, it absorbs the sweat coming out from the body easily. The surface area of sweat also increase as it is absorbed by the cotton cloth, which increases the rate of evaporation, and one who wear cotton clothes feel more comfortable because of cooling effect due to evaporation of sweat. Hence, Priyanshi, who is wearing cotton clothes, will feel more comfortable, while Ali. Question number 2. You want to wear your favorite shirt to a party, but the problem is that it is still wet after a wash. What steps would you take to dry it faster? Answer. Wet clothes dried up because of evaporation. The rate of evaporation increases with the increase in temperature, surface area, and wind speed. So first, hence keeping the condition to increase the rate of evaporation in mind, following steps should be taken to get the favorite shirt dried up quickly. सबसे पहला स्टेप है, our shirt should be spread upon the wire. This will increase the surface area of wet shirt, which will increase the rate of evaporation. दूसरा स्टेप, speedy winds should be supplied to the shirt using fan, which will increase the rate of evaporation. Third step, if it is not a day, a hot iron can be used also before hanging the shirt on a wire. Fourth, it is a daytime, arrange the above combination in the sun so that increase in temperature would increase the rate of evaporation. Question number 3. Comment on the following statement. A. Rate of evaporation of an aqueous solution decrease with increase in humidity. Answer. The mixture of water and air present in the atmosphere is called humidity. A dry atmosphere can hold more than water molecule than a humid atmosphere. Hence, the rate of evaporation of aqueous solution decrease with the increase of humidity, and vice versa. That is why increase in humidity in the atmosphere decrease the rate of evaporation of an aqueous solution. B. Sponge through compressible is a solid. Answer. There are lot of pores found in a sponge which are filled with air. When a sponge is compressed, the air trapped in the pores expelled out, and when it is released, pores again filled with the air and a sponge come in its original shape. Therefore, sponge is compressible because of air of trapped in its pores and not because of the space between the particles as happen in the case of gas. Hence, sponge is a solid instead of it is compressible. Question number 4. Why does the temperature of a substance remain constant during its melting point or boiling point? Answer. When heat is supplied to a solid, say ice, its start melting, but its temperature does not rise even after continuous supply of heating until all ice melts. The extra heat supplied is used in melting of ice, which is called latent heat of fusion. Similarly, when a liquid, say water, starts boiling, the temperature of water does not rise. Instead of continuously supply of heat, the extra heat supplied to the boiling water is used in vaporization of water, which is known as latent heat of vaporization. That's why the temperature of a substance remains constant during its melting or boiling point. Question number 5. You are provided with a mixture of naphthalene and sodium chloride by your teacher. Suggest an activity to separate them with well-labeled diagram. Answer. The mixture of naphthalene and sodium chloride can be separated by the process of sublimation, as naphthalene is a sublime, that is, it turns into vapor without changing in liquid, and its vapor change into solid without changing into solid without changing into liquid, while sodium chloride is not a sublime. Activity. Materials required: china dish, funnel, tripod, glass, gas burner, spatula, cotton process. Take the mixture in a china dish, plot it on the tripod, cover the mixture with a funnel by putting it inverted on the china dish. Plug the tip of the funnel using some cotton. Now start heating the china dish containing mixture. Stop heating after 30 to 60 seconds when vapor start rising in the funnel. Leave apparatus to get cooled. You will observe that naphthalene gets deposited on the inner wall of the funnel because of sublimation, leaving the sodium chloride in a china glass. Scratch out the naphthalene deposited on the inner wall of the funnel. अब हम इसका डायग्राम देखेंगे. अब इसमें डायग्राम क्या है, नीचे बर्नर दिखाया गया, वो जल रहा है. चाइना डिश में हमने नेफ्थलीन और सोडियम क्लोराइड रखा हुआ है और नीचे से ट्राईपॉड रख के उसे बर्नर से हीट दिया है और उसके ऊपर ना उल्टी फनल रखी हुई है. गरम करने पर क्या होता है, वेपर के थ्रू नेफ्थलीन बॉल है ना फनल की नेक पे आ जाता है और वहाँ पे सॉलिडिफाइड हो जाता है. सॉलिडिफाइड नेफ्थलीन हो जाता है. यहाँ पे ये बर्नर है और ये चाइना डिश है और ये ना बर्नर से चाइना डिश में हमने नेफ्थलीन और सोडियम क्लोराइड का मिक्सचर रखा है. अब उसको यहाँ से हीट दे रहे हैं. हीट देने के बाद क्या होता है कि यहाँ पे नेफ्थलीन जो होती है वो उस नेफ्थलीन की जो ना वेपर, यहाँ पे नेफ्थलीन की वेपर नज़र आती है, यहाँ पे नेफ्थलीन की वेपर है. नेफ्थलीन की वेपर ये ऊपर जाके यहाँ पे फनल की नेक पे सॉलिडिफाइड हो जाती है और सॉलिडिफाइड होके हम नेफ्थलीन को यहाँ से स्क्रैच करके निकाल लेते हैं और नीचे जो चाइना डिश में जो है NaCl बचा हुआ है, NaCl बचा हुआ है, सोडियम क्लोराइड बचा हुआ है. ये इस तरह से होता है. ये पूरा एक ना प्रोसेस किया गया है. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग वीडियो.